Internet, this is Jacob Clifford. Next week marks 15 years since I posted my first economics video here on YouTube. It shows me doing this activity called Marshmallow Towers that talks about revenue, costs, and profit, and the resolution is horrible. It looks like it was filmed on a camera from the 1930s. But again, it's been 15 years. To put that in perspective, George W. Bush was the president, the iPhone had just come out that previous summer, and most of the students who watch my videos today were toddlers. So to celebrate 15 years of making econ videos, I'm giving away $2 million. No, I don't have that kind of money. I'm not Mr. Beast. This is not that type of channel. But I am going to celebrate my anniversary and the fact that October is Economic Education Month by leading a free webinar with the Georgia Council on Economic Education. It's next week on October 25th, and it's going to be awesome. It's a 1 hour long session. It's called 5 Strategies to Get Your Students to Learn and Love Economics. It's designed for educators, so if you're a student, tell your teacher, and if you're a teacher, sign up right now. You're gonna get tons of helpful tips and strategies, plus we're gonna give away some prizes, including my worksheets and several other resources. The link to sign up is below, so make sure to sign up right now. I'm super excited, and you should be too. So teachers, I'm gonna see you Tuesday, October 25th, and if you're a student, make sure to stay tuned for more econ videos to help you learn economics. Thanks for watching. Until next time.